In this video, we'll cover how to use keyframes in Premiere Mobile. Here we have a horizontal clip that we're reframing for a vertical project. We'll keyframe the position so the cyclist stays in frame the entire time. You can use keyframes in the Opacity menu and in the Transform menu. Move the playhead to where you want the animation to begin, then tap the Keyframe button to set your first keyframe. This locks in the current value of the property you're adjusting. Move the playhead to a new point and change the value. A new keyframe is created automatically, and the app animates between those 2 points. Add more keyframes as needed to control the motion over time. To make the movement smoother, apply easing. Let's apply easing to keyframes on this image to see how they change the way the motion feels. Linear keeps a constant speed. Ease in starts slow and speeds up. Ease out slows down at the end. Ease in and out does both. Bounce adds a spring effect. If you need to remove a keyframe, select it and tap the keyframe button again. The animation updates automatically. You can apply these keyframing tips to any project. We hope it helps.